subjects. My name is King Kiera.
King Kiera, ting!
And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my hair and skincare routine.
First, we start with skin. The first thing I do for my skincare routine is I wash my hands to make sure they're clean. Then I rinse off my face with warm water to open my pores up and gently cleanse them before I use my cleanser. And then I move on to my Pacifica Kale Detox Deep Cleaning Face Wash. It removes makeup, cleanses, and tones my face. I rub that in a circular motion, and then I rinse my face multiple times until all the soap and all of the makeup is off of my face. Then I dry my face with a towel and I move on to my E.L.F. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I make sure that I get enough all over my skin, and then I dab it a little bit to make sure that it gets spread out evenly, and then I rub it in with my hands. After I feel like it's been rubbed in well enough, I get my mini Jade roller that I found at Target. I rinse it with ice cold water so it just closes my pores really nicely and all of the moisturizer gets in my skin and absorbs nicely. First thing in the morning, I already have my hair in 4 braids because that's what I put them in when I take a shower and comb my hair out in the shower. So first I finger comb it out a little bit, and then I add Aunt Jackie's In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. I rub it in my hair, finger comb it in just to make sure my hair is completely detangled while it's being conditioned and moisturized. And I just make sure it looks really nice, get my wide tooth comb and comb it out really, really good in there. After that, I add Aunt Jackie's Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter, which seals in the moisturizer I just put in my hair and make sure that the moisture stays there all throughout the day until I wash it out at nighttime. Then I add Miss Jessica's Coily Custard, and it really seals in all the moisture and everything and keeps my curls really defined. After that, basically I just fluff it out with my hands and a wide tooth comb until everything looks perfect. This is what it looks like when I'm finally done with my hair step of my hair and skincare routine. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more, just like and subscribe.